What's up guys, Bobby here from SlickText, and today I'm going to show you how to use the GetResponse email integration feature to capture emails and instantly sync them to your email marketing list in GetResponse. Let's check it out. On the dashboard, we're going to go over to our My Account tab and tap on My Integrations. On the next page here, go ahead and tap Find a New Integration and scroll down to GetResponse. There it is. Tap Integrate. And now you need to make sure you select which version of GetResponse you have. I have just the basic one, and we need to generate an API key. All right, so we're gonna go over to GetResponse. You're gonna tap on the menu icon in the upper left, then go down to Integrations and API. On the next page, click on API on the left, and then Generate API Key. Give it a name, and then tap Generate. Go ahead and copy this key, then go back over to SlickText and paste your API key in the API field and hit Connect to GetResponse. Now your GetResponse account is connected to SlickText, but there's a few more steps you need to complete so we know what list to add that email address to. On the screen, we're going to follow the instructions here. Go over to text words, then scroll down to the text word that you want to use. On the right side, tap Options and Settings, and then click on Email Capture on the left. Scroll down, make sure this is turned on, of course, and then select the list that you want to add them to, and then save settings. And that's how you use our GetResponse email integration feature here at SlickText. Should you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to reach out to us, 1-800-688-6290, or email us info@slicktext.com. Thanks for watching, guys. We'll catch you soon.